Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have my Boxycharm by Ipsy. This is my paid box that I get. I've not even opened it. It's been sitting here, I don't know, for a day or two. I always love this box. A little sneak peek into my box. And right off the bat, this is their theme, Spring into Self-Care. I had shown this with, the other products. I did also get the Hot Topic palette from Natasha Denona. I will open this. I'm going to share this one because I have two, because I did get one in PR. So I will share this one for sure. I don't need two, or do I want two of them? I'll just quickly show it to you and get it right back in the packaging. Beautiful, beautiful neutral palette. And I pretty much have them all that she's put out. So I will keep that one in the box for shipping purposes, just way. I mean, I might take it out when I do if I do a giveaway with it, but that, perfect. I don't need that. Let's see what else is in here. This is a little beat up. Look at this packaging. All like, this is from Feel. This is a probiotic moisturizer. Reduces fine lines, protects your skin, increases skin elasticity. Morning and evening you can apply. That's interesting. It's a little weird that it's all banged up, but you know, we'll give that a shot and see what I think. I do have some brushes here, which I will share these. Oh, I don't know, Luna Magic. I like their brushes. So these are face brushes right here. I might share them. I don't need them. I don't want to take the wrapping off. Let me see. Always, these bags are always nice. Let me see if I can show you the brushes without, and I can just pull the mesh down and pull it back up. These are beautiful handles. I'll just take it off and then I'll put it back on. So that's a beautiful brush right there. And then we'll slip this back up. I don't want to, so that's that one. And then this one. So it's just like a more of, could you use it for concealer? Yeah, foundation you could. I don't know the density, but it looks dense. Could use that for, powders, blush, bronzer, like all that good stuff. So let me just put this back on. And this way the bristles stay nice. I love when brands do that, because then your brush doesn't get messed up. If the hairs get a little wonky, just wet them, wash them, lay them flat, and as it's drying you can reshape it. So they're nice little brushes. Like I said, I'll probably share those because I don't need them. For Morphe, we have Bake and Set setting powder, and I have Banana. Did I choose Banana? I don't even know if I chose this. Honestly, I don't know. I figured, it's can be brightening for under the eyes. So we'll give it a shot. So here it is, the Morphe powder. You can see it. Probably has a seal on it. Yeah, it does. Has one of them seals on it. So I don't have this. I mean, I don't know. I might have at one point. So that's that. What else is in here? I don't remember some of this stuff, but I will have to look at my phone. Okay, so from Farah, we usually have a card. I have a highlighter, and this looks like right there, the shade. Let me try to get this open. Of the highlighter, is it like more of a gold? Maybe. If it's too gold, I might share it, because it's not usually no, it has a mirror. That's actually pretty, like the icier white. Well, that's adorable. That's what it looks like. Has a nice little mirror. Let's see here. It's right on the edge here, so it's definitely, it's not as bright as I thought it would be. Like if I'm blending it in a little bit, oh, I can see it, and you would see it too, but nice. And then the other thing, I don't remember some of these products, but who knows. So I have a lip balm here from Context. I don't know if there's a shade name on this. I have quite a few products from Context. They're not bad, lipsticks and things like that. So that's what this is right here, like a lip balm. And that's really pretty. And that is literally a balm, and it really just gives the slightest little hint of pink. It's perfect maybe for somebody younger, even just to put on, you know, just real quick, just to put a little bit of color on your lips. I don't know if that's the shade close to you. I'm not really sure. Not bad. Is this a favorite box of mine? No, I'm not really loving the products. I mean, I could have swore they're, I honestly don't know. My phone is charging. It was like almost dead. That happened to me the other night. I was using it, and all of a sudden I'm like, no. It just, I forget to charge it. So I usually charge it at night if I'm going to charge it. And I totally forgot. But not a favorite box. Yeah, the Natasha Denona palette is awesome. And if I didn't already have it, yeah, that would make the box. But I don't mind because I wanted to get that and give it away. No sense. I don't need two. Am I like overly super excited about everything else in here? Nah. So this is just an okay month for me. I think the palette, if I didn't already own it, would make me feel a little bit better about the box. But, you know, it is what it is. Not every month is going to be phenomenal. It was the same way when Boxycharm had it. Not every month was, you know, knocks your socks off. But still an overall good box. You know, you have a moisturizer, a highlighter, which is pretty good, and the brushes, and a lip balm, and the powder from Morphe. And, of course, the, you know, the Natasha palette. So, let me know your thoughts. Did you get your Boxycharm yet? I would love to know what you got. Share with me in your comment. I always like to hear what people get in their box, or anything that we get similar. Macy's, or even the Ipsy bag, stuff like that. If you buy add-ons, I stopped buying all the add-ons just because it was just too much. FabFitFun is probably the only one lately that I usually purchase add-ons. I think there are summer boxes coming up this month. I think we get to pick our choices and shop the edit sale for add-ons for FabFitFun. But sometimes I'll do a sale, like a mega drop sale, but I have not done that in a long time. I just don't need anything. And just to buy it, just to have it, I'm like, now, if they had some of these like hair care products that I wanted, yeah, I probably would buy them because it's cheaper than buying them out or at the salon and things like that. But I don't need any other like makeup. Now, I always will need lipstick. I never will turn down a lipstick. Like, I'm fine with this because that's a nice little lip balm just to throw on the weekend. Like today I had a lip balm on, but I took it off and put my Huda Beauty Brown on. I've been loving it. I mean, it just lasts for hours and hours. It feels good. I don't even feel like I have a lipstick on. That's how nice it feels. And it doesn't bleed. It doesn't, you know. I mean, I could put a liner on, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I just don't find it necessary. So let me know your thoughts. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.